Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import config in Counter-Strike 2. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your inventory. From here, click on trade offers, click on who can send me trade offers, and then you want to look for the account number right here. In my case, it's going to be the 1147419 So you want to copy this number right here, and right after that you then want to head over to the directory files of your Steam. So in my case, it's going to be inside my solid state drive. There's going to be Steam, and then you want to simply look for the user data, which is going to be this one. Right after that, you can just simply look for your account number. In my case, it's 1147, and Counter-Strike is basically 730. Now from there, you want to head over to local. We have CFG, and basically you can then go ahead and copy manually your config files, or in my case, to make things easier, I'll just copy the local files right here. Head back to my account IDs. Now this is all of the accounts that I have logged in into my computer. Let's go ahead and select my second account, which is basically going to be other numbers right here. Unfortunately, I haven't played Counter-Strike with this accounts. So as an example, let's go back to my main account, which is going to be this one. Head over to the 730, which is once again your Counter-Strike 2. And from there, you then want to override your local data. From there, you have successfully transferred your config in Counter-Strike 2 to another account. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.